Ever heard the myth that vegetarians can't build muscle? Well, prepare to have your misconceptions shattered. Many believe that a meatless diet equates to a lack of protein, the building block of muscles. However, that's not the case. A vegetarian diet, when planned thoughtfully, can indeed fuel muscle growth. It's all about consuming the right nutrients from a variety of plant-based sources. So, it's clear that being a vegetarian doesn't mean you're destined to be muscleless. One of the key elements to muscle growth is protein, and guess what? Plants have loads of it. From legumes like lentils and chickpeas to soy products like tofu and tempeh, there's a world of plant-based protein out there. Even grains like quinoa and farro are packing a protein punch. And let's not forget about complete proteins. By cleverly combining foods like rice and beans, you can ensure you're getting all the essential amino acids your muscles crave. By incorporating these protein-packed foods into your diet, you're setting your muscles up for success. Protein isn't the only game in town. Carbohydrates and fats play crucial roles in muscle growth too. Carbohydrates are your body's go-to fuel source, powering your workouts and aiding in muscle recovery. Foods like whole grains and starchy vegetables provide complex carbs for sustained energy. Meanwhile, healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and seeds contribute to overall health and support muscle growth by aiding in nutrient absorption. So, ensure your diet is balanced with adequate carbs and healthy fats, not just protein. Muscle growth isn't just about what you eat, it's also about how you treat your body. Hydration plays an essential role in muscle recovery and growth. Drinking enough water helps regulate body temperature, lubricate joints, and transport nutrients to fuel your muscles. Additionally, getting quality sleep aids in muscle recovery and growth. During sleep, your body repairs and builds new muscle fibers. So don't underestimate the power of a good night's rest and a glass of water. Remember, a well-hydrated and well-rested body is a body that's ready for muscle growth.